So let's discuss about the CSS for the front-end development. CSS means Cascading Style Sheet. It is basically designed to separate the styling of HTML in a separate file. So basically in HTML we have such a, if you want to type a text inside the paragraph, so we use a style here. So basically for when you have a large amount of text like this, a paragraph like this, it becomes a labor intensive work to type like this for each and every para. So for that, what we do is the efficient way is to mention the style property in CSS file and link it with the different elements of the HTML file using the selectors. Okay, we will discuss what is selectors later. Next one is the Bootstrap. Bootstrap is the basically framework for the front-end development, which basically provides a template for quick and easy styling, and this is basically a very customizable thing. So basically, it's an advanced way of styling the HTML file, which we will look later. So in this course, we will basically see the overview as first one is the basic color styling on the element. Second is the common style attributes. Third is selector, then fonts, then box models. In the first, basic color styling on the elements, when we have the HTML file like this, when you type the doc, it will create a syntax of file. In this case, what you can do is you can link the CSS file typing this syntax. If you just type the link, the whole syntax will appear automatically. In this reference, with the reference thing, you just have to type the masters.css file name, and in that you can just go and type h1. H1 means, as you know, the heading. Just type the color red, means if you want to change the style of the heading, just type this, and if you want to change the background, you can also do the same thing. So from the coding, you can see that this is the HTML file. If you just type the doc, this whole reference will come till the head dash and then the body. So in this thing, what you have to do is just create type link, and this whole syntax will appear. Then go and type this master CSS file. This file is here. So when you go and check, and then you type here the whatever you want, heading, paragraph, whatever you type here. So in this case, let's say heading 1, heading 2 are typed, and then go to the masters.css and then type this syntax: h1 color red, h2 blue. So what you will see is this h1 as heading and h2 as the blue color. So later we will see how to increase the font size and the alignment as center and spacing, everything, etc. So let's go to the common style attributes. Common style attributes means we can divide the stylings in different parts. So we in different classes, let's say division, body, span. So from the code you can see that here this is the paragraph and this is the division. In the division you can have multiple paragraphs, spans, etc. Span means it's an inline thing, as we discussed earlier, so it's just inline thing. So and the body is the whole body. So for CSS thing, what you can do is for the whole body or whole division, you can create the styling for the like say for the body, the background color is aquamarine. For the division part, we have given the different body color, the border, everything. So for you, when you see here, the background for the body is aquamarine, so this is this color. And for the division, basically there are two divisions are given. For each division, the color is given, and the border color, the chocolate border color, what kind of bordering you need a dotted is given, the size of the dot, everything can be given. Okay, then we go to the selectors part. Selector part is nothing but, like, we have divisions, but at particular paragraph or particular division we want to have some kind of stylings. For that, what we use is the class and the ID method. So for particular paragraph or division, we can use ID name, and then for particular ID we use the hashtag and then use the styling. And for particular class you can give the name, and for the class you need to type dot class and then the style. So this goes straight into the thing. So in the HTML file you can see that I have given the paragraph for the one paragraph the ID is 1, and for the division the class is my class. So for a particular paragraph, this and this, and I want to have a specific styling. For that, what I do is in the master class, I go to this class and I have my own color and the background color, And for this one paragraph, I have the different color and the background has blue violet. So as you can see here, this is the paragraph ID in para. So I have a different background, and the, as you can see, the color is red. I have given the color as red. And for my class, you can see that the background is quite different. I think this is the one. So the background is dark coaty. So you can see the background color is same here, and the color is blue. You can see here. Okay, and then you can come here, and you can see that for the fonts you can use different kind of fonts. For example, font family, type the font name, text align center, font size, the size, and em. So also you can import the style sheet from the Google itself. So to do that, you can just go and check here the fonts thing. You can see for heading 1 I have given the font as Times New Roman, text alignment center, as you can see it is here and there, and font size is 40. And then for the division it is see-through, and just a moment. So this is that, and this goes same to the IDs and this thing. So for the border section, you can see this border section is there is a margin, and the padding is there. For that, what we can do is we can give the border section the thickness, the color, and what kind of dotting or solid thing you want. You can see it for the up it is red is given, the margin can be given, and the padding can be given also. So that's it. Thank you.